Hello and welcome to another Mr. B's Bike video. In this video we're going to be unboxing some retro kit and Betamax bits and pieces, and these three items are from the same eBay seller. Came a few days ago and I've been holding out resisting the temptation to open the boxes, and I thought I'd do it tonight. It's Friday night, and share the experience with you. I know at least one of these things I have never seen before in the flesh, so it should be really interesting. So without further ado, let's crack on. So what's in box number one? Well, let's have a look. Hopefully they're going to be, well, they would have been packed. Things happen to them. I know one of them should be very well packed because it's in its case, which I think is what this is. Yes. Ooh, smaller than I thought. So, what do we have? Oh, upside down, I think. Yes, it is. Well, that gives it away. It's actually really rather nice. Sony Beta movie. Why? Well, it was cheap enough. And I did want to have at least a bit of a look at one of these. I'm very intrigued by the whole technology of the time. Sounds like something's rattling about a bit in there, but yeah, very nice. The thing I'm wondering, the seller talked about powering it, but there's no power supply, which wasn't really made very clear. DC and 9.6, well, that's not so bad, we can cope with that. So yeah, so apparently the fault with this is it works, but there is no the playback quality of the recordings is poor, losing lock by the sounds of it. So that should be quite a fun one to do, and I will do that in another video. The model number is a BMC 500P Beta movie. That's rather nice. I'm going to really enjoy working on this. I might even do a video with it if I can get it working. That'd be quite fun, mightn't it? It'll look awful, but it'd be nice. It would be a nice thing to do, I think. So yeah, really cool. Okay, so next parcel, I can't actually remember what this is. I have a feeling it might be a really exciting video recorder. Did I just really build that up? Yes. Yes, it is. Oh gosh. Interesting packing. Sometimes I'm amazed how stuff sometimes arrives in such good condition. So this is a ED5ME, so multi-standard VHS, but it has, well, from what I gather, everything. Worldwide multi-system. Quite nice map there showing all of the formats around the world. Instructions, machine itself, remote control, grubby, and curious, that looks like a head cleaner or something. Oh, what on earth's that? Wasn't quite expecting that. I thought it was working. So there it is. That's right. I mean, it is what it is. It's a Sony. Interesting that the NTSC playback switch, so you can choose what the output of that would be, which makes sense as it's sort of a multi-standard machine. Play back on anything, but yeah, interesting. I mean, we'll see. Audio. Yeah, I mean, it's not a stereo machine, but yeah, it's fine. It was cheap enough, and I just thought it'd be nice to have a look at it. So yeah, that's good. And finally, the last parcel. This should be exciting. Probably the one that's the most fragile. So we'll see if it survived. There are the screws. There you can see what it is already, but this one had power supply missing from it. Sort of said he had. So let's have a look at it. Oh. So, oh no, this wasn't the one with the missing power supply. He was also selling an HF100, so that had missing power supply, but he had it kicking about and was going to include it, so I missed out on that one. So, well, there's nothing in it. There are no heads, or anything. There's no head drum. This is a scrap machine. Why? I suppose it's useful for spares, but oh, that's disappointing. I have to check the description on that, because I probably wouldn't have bought it if I'd known it was that stripped out. yeah, it's pretty stripped out. I mean, there's no loading rings, there's no heads, nothing. It's got a pinch roller. Looks fairly worn, but probably all right. Yeah, pinch roller's good. Put a pinch roller. That's good. I don't actually know how much I paid for this. It wasn't a huge amount. But yeah, I've got that little thing as well, which people seem to like to have. I mean, it is quite cool. Yeah, but a little bit disappointed, I have to say. But that is so stripped out. Not what I was expecting. So yes, I suppose the next thing is to go through everything and yeah, I'll make videos of the progress of some of this stuff. This is just fit for spares, nothing else, which is fine. I can live with that as long as I don't pay too much to it for it. And yeah, the description was accurate, but we'll see. I'll probably let you know in the comments how I got on with it. But yeah, so that's it. Just a quick video. And thank you very much for watching, as always. And hope you enjoyed it. I don't know whether people like this sort of stuff. But I thought I'd show it anyway. I mean, like I say, it's sort of living the dream, all of these videos. And just trying to get stuff working, really. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and see you in another video.